So this one's slightly different because it's asking for the slope of the curve at t equals 7 pi over 6. So it's not asking for the horizontal change or the vertical change. It's asking for the vertical change divided by the horizontal change. You may remember that y prime t divided by x prime t is going to be dy dx, which is slope. Because another way of thinking about y prime t is that's dy dt, and then x prime t is dx dt, and that is going to simplify to dy dx. So what we really need to do is find y prime, find x prime, and then divide them. So first off, x prime t is negative 9 sine t, and y prime t is equal to 4 cosine t. So then if we want to find the slope at 7 pi over 6, we have to plug in and then divide y and x. So y prime 7 pi over 6 equals 4 cosine 7 pi over 6. Let me write that a little better. Sorry about that. 7 pi over 6. Okay, so cosine of 7 pi over 6 is going to be negative root 3 over 2. So we have 4 times negative root 3 over 2, which is going to be negative 2 root 3. Okay, and then x prime is going to be 9 sine of 7 pi over 6, which is going to be 9 times 1/2, which is 9 halves. So then finally, the slope is going to be y prime divided by x prime. So it's going to be negative 2 root 3 divided by 9 over 2, which is going to end up being negative 2 root 3 times 2 over 9 by our fraction division rules, right? Copy the numerator, and then we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So then our final answer here for this dy dx is negative 4 root 3 over 9, and that is the slope at 7 pi over 6. Oh, dang it. This iPad is acting up, but yeah, that's the final answer. Negative 4 root 3 over 9.